Good morning, ladies. Been a while. I have a new wig. It took me a long time to find anything I wanted again. But this particular one is from an exclusive line. It is manufactured by Beltress. I haven't bought any Beltress wigs technically. This is manufactured by Beltress for Wig Studio One, for Andrea Carlson of Wig Studio One. It's called the Push wigs. They're this push hairline. That's her hairline. That's her line. Sorry. I've had a rough couple of months, so if I stutter and stumble and whatever, please forgive me. It's been crazy. So anyway, I believe this wig is probably it's above the 400 mark. But don't let that deter you, because I found this in the open box section when they had one of their extra 30% off clearance sales, so I got it for a steal. This particular wig has got a full monofilament top, and I mean no seam. Seamless monofilament top with lace that extends into the ear tabs, not around them, but to them. And it's cute. It's choppy layers. Let me check this out. Hang on. Super choppy layers. And let me tell you, this is just, it weighs nothing. These fibers are the lightest weight, silkiest fibers that I think I know of. This is heat friendly, like all Beltress manufactured wigs are. But this is, of course, named Celine. This is Celine by Push by Wig Studio One. I don't normally talk about where I got wigs, but this is their line, so it's a little hard to avoid that. It's the only place you can get them. It is, I think the heat-friendly fibers they say on this one, you can go up to 270. So you definitely need a heat control on your curling iron or your flat iron or whatever. The fringe is supposed to be 4.25. Well, I've got a fairly high forehead, and this is not 4.25. I don't know if it was just a variation. Could be a variation. Could be, I don't think anybody cut them before they returned them to Wig Studio One. But anyway, the fringe is supposed to be 4.25. That's the official number. The crown is 7.25. The nape is 4.75. It says. I don't know. Maybe. The layers kind of skew your perception of how long this wig actually is, but it's very chopped up, a lot of layers. I'll turn around and show you. This color is Roca Margarita Blonde. It is a very ashy, cool tone wig. The root is almost non-existent. It's extremely light. The color code says 16R, which I would say is root, but this is lighter root than Palm Springs Blonde, which is supposed to have an 18 root. Well, this is definitely, to me, it almost translates to a 20 root. It is very light. Now, I don't know if you can even see this. This always shows roots darker than they are. And you know me, I don't like roots. I'm not a hair dyer. So it's really, it's got beautiful, it's a blend of silver and pure blonde and ash blonde and coconut blonde, and it says it's cool, medium to light root, brown root. It's not at all warm. So I'll turn around and show you all sides of this and see what you think. Okay. Lots of choppy layers, right? So it's pretty cute, huh? All right, now, being full monofilament top, obviously, you can part it anywhere you want, right? You can part it that way, you can part it this way. These bangs do not have to stay here. I have put them up and over. These are a little bit short to me for the dimensions that were quoted on these. I don't know why that is, unless it's just a variance, which could happen, I suppose. But you know, the lace front is beautiful. Okay. goes all the way. Now that's my bio hair, which I can't seem to get back there far enough. Has a Velcro adjusters on a soft nape, soft ear tabs, substantial stays. The color is just, I mean, it's got dimension, but it's overwhelmingly a cool color. There's some slightly warmer tones in here, but not by much. So let's see, what else I want to tell you about Celine. Oh yeah, it's retail. I remember now the retail was like $4.39. I have another one I would like to get in the same line because, and I'd like to pay about what I paid for this one. Honestly, I don't know if that'll happen, but anyway, like I said, I have not purchased Beltress, and since I had the defective lemonade that the owner of the company refused to say was defective, and everybody, all the wig reviewers said yes it is. I mean, we know our stuff, don't we? We know what a defect is and what a variance is. We absolutely do. But you know, I thought, well, I think decided to take a chance because I liked a couple of the particular styles in this line, and yeah, you know, you're paying now for a full mono top the same price you used to pay for a hand-tied wig. That's just the way it is, and I don't think it's going to be any better. I think once they got that, the prices up there, I think they're going to stay. But anyway, yeah, like I said, this is an exclusive line to Wig Studio One and Andrea Carlson, and I think she did a pretty good job on these. So look at that again. Let's see. Very pretty. Okay, so what else? I don't think there's a whole lot else to say. Now, let me say, I noticed that this looks different, way different, and it looks different length to me. It looks like a different style entirely on, say, Ms. Carlson, which she models her own wig, and on our lovely friend Eileen, the Crazy Wig Lady. It looks real different on those two. To me, it looks like a different wig. And you know, I think Eileen, hi Eileen, if you're watching, I know you're going to watch this review. She said it's kind of like Jones. Well, the one she was wearing, it did look like Jones. This one, I don't know that it looks exactly like Jones. It's not as long as Jones, obviously. But I don't know. I don't know. What do you think? Now the bangs being too short, not too short, but being shorter than they were supposed to be, I think. Now look at that lace front. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that, how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. When you get bangs that are too short, you can do less with them. Now, I don't know what my forehead is. I don't think I've ever measured my forehead, but it's not low. It's not super high, but it's not, you know, narrow. And I think if others come with the bang this length that it was, I think that people who have shorter foreheads could wear it. Now, you may get one, and it may be the actual 4 1/4 inches, but to me, most of the bang is not that length, and I just don't know why that is. Just to let you know. But yeah, it reads shorter on some people than others. The length of it. It's kind of crazy, but I mean, take a look at it. Take a look. You'll have to go to Wig Studio One, and it's their push hairline. I put a picture of the box. I don't unbox on here. I just figure, you know, taking a wig out of a box is taking a wig out of a box. And most people pack their wigs very well. So I'll show you the box that it comes in, and the cap, the inside of the cap is beautiful. Other than a hand-tied cap, this is probably the nicest cap you're going to get. It's really nice. The wig weighs nothing, really. It doesn't feel like it weighs anything. I don't think I noted the weight of this one, but it feels like nothing on your head. All the layers, you know, it's not one length, so it's lighter weight than, say, a one length wig would be. Anyway, that's enough, and we're done. And hope to maybe, if I get the other one that I'm looking at for now, I'll be back and review that too. But yeah, I haven't wanted one in a long time. I've looked and looked and haven't seen anything, and I'm probably going to be selling one or two of the three that I own very soon, so keep an eye out for that in the community section. So yeah, glad to be with you guys again, and take care. Bye.